Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazuric visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, things a little warmer out there this morning.
Yeah, Joe, the weather map this morning does have our temperatures. Like you said, it's a little bit warm and a little bit cool depending where you're at. We've got where the winds are calm, like in Norton and Oberlin and Hill City. We got those cooler readings in McCook in the upper 30s, low 40s. You get out there where the winds are from the west and the northwest, and that downsloping effect in Goodland. We got 43, 44 in Burlington, 44 here in Atwood, 50 up there in Holyoke. We're going to continue to have to the west of Highway 25, those west-northwesterly winds that'll pull that smoke and haze off the wildfires in those Rockies over the area. So this afternoon, we could have some hazy skies. And in particular, the models are suggesting about a 5-mile visibility. So that could knock our temperatures down a couple degrees. So we were forecasting potentially upper 80 type temperatures. We're probably going to be looking more like in the middle 80s at 84, 85 degrees here for the afternoon highs. Those winds to the east of Highway 25 will be more to a southeasterly direction, and keeping that west-northwest direction out there to the west. As far as other things we got a high-pressure ridge that'll be over the area, and that's an omega blocking ridge. It'll keep blocking anything that's coming from the west all the way through the weekend and early next week. And we also got the Hurricane Milton down there in the Gulf. That thing has got to a Category 5. It's has pressure readings and wind gusts that make it one of the top 5 hurricane strengths of all time, and that is heading for the coast of Florida. It looks like it's going to travel over Florida Wednesday and Thursday, maybe take a turn up the Atlantic into the Carolinas, or keep going out into the Atlantic. Usually when they hit that current over there, they like to take that swing to the left. So we're going to keep an eye on that hurricane. It's going to be a nasty one, so Florida needs to take shelter, and particularly if you're on that Gulf Coast or on that west side towards Tampa Bay. Also, this is the second hurricane down there. That kind of blocked up the weather pattern prior, and it continues to cause a lot of this dryness out here where we're at, that we don't have any ability for that Gulf moisture to come up from the south, and we got everything blocked to the west. So right now it does look like the next 2 weeks is going to keep staying dry, and we're looking maybe around the 20th, 22nd for something to break down and some stuff to come from the north and west where we'll see some rainfall. But right now we're just looking at warming temperatures. Middle 80s today, tomorrow, upper 80s Thursday, Friday. Got a cold front over the weekend that's dry. Could be looking at 60-degree temperatures Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Overnight lows in the 30s. So with this dry air, calmer winds, we could have frost potential Monday and Tuesday morning.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, joining us here on 106.1 KYVZ.